Hey guys, so the other day I unlocked my car. I was trying to open the boot when I heard the usual sound of the motor, but the boot didn't open. I already knew what the problem was, so I had to climb in and unbolt the panel, and I decided to try to solve it myself. So what I did is, first I glued the broken plastic piece with some super glue, left it overnight to dry, and then I used some hot glue and a piece of an L-shaped metal to reinforce it, and I glued it. And now I'm going to install back on my Jetta and see if it does the job. A little trick that I've done is that I put a little Allen key here so that it will hold in position until the glue has dried. That's about it. An easy fix, literally cost nothing. 10 minutes of my time, and that's it. I'll let you know if it had worked. Let's hope it will. I will keep you up to date.